zvichibuda pachena manje vanhu zvakanga vasinganzwisisi some years ago around 2018 and 2019 vataiona kuti there were some attacks aiitika in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Mamwe aito-involve ma-live bombers, mamwe ai-involve ma-assassinations, but people could not understand because they knew the relationship between the president and the vice president, which it was very strong. But panguva ino ine the rift and fallout yavamo the ruling party ZANU-PF zvasi kuexposa kuti aiwa generally was the target of everything that transpired since 2018. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Panapa chikora zvakananda anoposta these pictures amuri kuona at the White City stadium bombing yamuri kuona iyo obudanyira chiti on 6 June 2018 mnangagwa and his CIO operative started bomb drill rehearsals at the Brigade Farm. This was a well-planned assassination plot targeting General Chiwenga. Muda is fully aware of what happened. Brigade Farm becomes a factory for murder. Accountability is coming. Doma developments and Mudashtoga Pangwa Ine, since people could not understand because it was just a year after at the coup. And Pangwa Ine got with these attacks like this. These were genuine attacks. Aito Kunavi because and Chiwenga. Some others, but maybe it's the general who is planning to do these attacks kwenye wangu wanu, but pangwa inwe chokwadi chinozo kubuda pachena as time goes on nyazo kubuda pachena kuti VP Kosano Chiwenga was the target. Since then Doma developments are kubuda pangwa inwe kurikona kwa konsi the most suspected individuals are the Midlands boys. Adru kuona kuti pano avanyazo kuwanzwisisa indi avanyazo kuva truster just because vanyazo kuti these guys they've got the proximity to power and they can do whatsoever it takes kuti vakwanise kupedza everyone anenge achienda against their will. Pana comment section medu dzavukira email uliva musoro pechituko ichi. Pana comment section medu subscribe or like, once you don't on the bell icon.